Hello and welcome. This is Amanda the Nerdy Krafter, and I'm here today with my Art Impressions Advent Calendar, 24 days of new stamps and awesome adventures. And we are now on day 13, lucky number 13. Thankfully, it is not Friday the 13th, or else we might have a spooky stamp coming out of here. But let's see what we have. Oh, a gorgeous foliage stamp again. I absolutely love all these beautiful flowers and foliages that we're getting in this set. It just adds a lot to your collection and allows you to do so much and add some new dimension and texture. So fun, fun, fun. All right, so this is how I am storing my stamps as we're going through this Advent. I'm probably going to have to move it to the back eventually as we're getting fuller on the front here. But this is today's stamp. And what I have decided to do is a wreath, but kind of a non-traditional wreath. I brought in a heart, and I die cut this out a while back, so I just have it in my collection. And I've traced around the heart to kind of give us our background here. And I think I'm going to use a combination of our branch, this one, and then our little holly buds here. And let's see how this goes. Yesterday I did the past 2 days actually I've done a non-Christmas theme, so I may stick with that and do a non-Christmas theme. I may do a Christmas theme. I'm not quite sure yet. So far the colors I've chosen are non-Christmassy, so we're just going to go along for the ride and see what comes up.